FATTS Autos has fireworks. Now this is a little mom and pop type store that carries a line of Black Cat fireworks seasonally. They've got firecrackers, of course, bricks and strips, and even the little ground salutes. You've got Roman candles and skyjet rockets, happy face rockets, missiles, barrage candles, and various Roman candles to choose from. If you're looking for quick pickup, they've got some assortments, various sizes and prices, of course. They've even got pyro backpacks for the kids. They carry bling bling and happy cakes. They've got frickin' frack fountains, aerial spinners, your novelties, your tanks, some nicer novelties, the plastic cars there, your swords, your sparklers, your smoke bombs, snaps, of course. If you're looking for something a little bit bigger, they've got a line of high-def cakes. They've got diamond splitter there. Hey, Tony! Sucker punch, heavy metal, neon there in the center, and twisted around the corner. They've also got a few brothers pyrotechnic cakes, and there's a powder keg brand there in the center, as well as that stepmother right there. They've got blue, other Matrix Pyros by Brothers, Tiger Tails, Hawk Attack. They carry artillery shells as well. You've got some 12-pack Diablos there, and color bombs, and Legends Festival balls. Of course, Diablos there in the center. Nice 24-pack. They've got zombie blasters by Powder Keg there. And for a store that is mainly Black Cat fireworks, I picked up a Matrix Pyros by Brothers. Now if you were paying real close attention and you feel like you got sucker punched, that is a Christmas tree in the background. It was shown in the window at the start of the video, but I've got good news. The Black Cat's firework banner is up again. Fireworks at FATTS Autos. Come get 'em.